welcome back to my channel. It's Dinorah, aka the Southern Belle of the South Bronx. If you're new here, welcome. We have a new recipe video. You can use whatever protein you like. Today I'm using sushi grade Ahi tuna. We're making Inari Sushi. So Inari is a bean curd, essentially like a piece of tofu that's fried and then like seasoned in like a syrup of sugar and vinegars and salts. And they sell it canned. They also sell it frozen. I like the canned version better. You stuff it with some sushi rice and any toppings you want. It could just be rice, but I like rice, scallions, edamame. Didn't have any edamame in my freezer today, so I did not use any. But anywho, let's get into this recipe. They are just gorgeous because there's 3 of them. These are one of my favorite like go-to lunch or dinner or snack recipes because you can literally put whatever you want. You want to put a piece of fried chicken in here or a piece of like a pork cutlet, or you don't eat meat, you want to put some tofu or some veggies, go ahead. I just love, my favorite part in all honesty is the bean curd, the Inari. I just love it so much. Anywho, let's give it a try. This is my first time actually making Inari with sushi grade tuna. I usually use smoked tuna from Trader Joe's, or my favorite that I've been using for years is Kani, which is the imitation crab. This is my first time making it with sushi grade tuna. It's so good. The texture of the bean curd and the sweet and salty taste is my favorite part. And of course, I love to use brown sushi rice or brown short grain rice. I just like the texture. It's chewier, it's bouncier. And I usually make a large pot, which is 1 cup for me, and it's just me eating, so it lasts a while in the refrigerator and it doesn't get mushy or like gross. This is so good. I hope you give this a try. Of course, I'm gonna go off camera and eat this because this is the first thing I'm eating today at 3:53 p.m. I thought it was 2. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you'd like to see any other Asian inspired recipes on my channel. Bye. I almost forgot. Y'all be blessed. we'll do this again very soon. Bye.